everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing some trends for 2018. I'm not talking about hair, shoes, or makeup, I am talking about cakes. Now 2017 had really cute trends such as the unicorn cake and drip cakes, and believe me when I say I made my fair share of those. Now that we're a couple of months into 2018, I am ready for a fresh start. I borrowed photos from some different accounts that I follow that I absolutely am inspired by, and I will make sure to link all of those different accounts down below so that you can follow them as well. They are all stunning. Without further ado, let's get into it. One of the first trends that I have noticed for this year are that of a very simplistic nature. From what I have seen, they are frosted in buttercream, either smooth or textured iced, and then they just have small details such as gold leaf or a minimal floral decoration with fresh flowers or greenery. They are very simple, but they're absolutely gorgeous and perfect for pretty much any event. Up next, one of my favorites that I have seen so far, unconventional shapes. We are steering away from the standard typical round tiered cakes, and we're starting to throw in squares and rectangles and hexagons, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I am loving the structured looks, and I really cannot wait to try one of these myself. Following the fun shapes are cakes that have either a hand-painted or sketched design. These cakes are really cool because it essentially turns the decorator into an artist, opening up the opportunity to really be creative and use your cake as a blank canvas. Geometric designs are a definite showstopper that are beginning to pop up quite a lot this year. They are absolutely perfect in their intricacy and their detailing. They are really a far cry from the last design we discussed. I am loving the contrast in all of these different trends. Next, I want to touch on tropical cakes. These cakes involve lots of bright colors and some unconventional different types of decorations such as pineapples and coconuts. They are a lot of fun, and they're perfect for really any time of year, especially if you're in California like me, where it is 85 degrees all of the time. Last but not least are Brushstroke Cakes. This design is kind of out there, but it's really, really unique. It's created by using pieces of chocolate that are adhered to the cake to look like it's been painted. It gives a really cool 3D effect and is bound to spark discussion at your event. That's it. Those were some of my favorite trends so far from 2018. I cannot wait to decorate some of these different trends and share them with you and give you my interpretations of them. Please, if you liked this video, comment down below, give me a like and subscribe, and make sure to check the description where I will be linking all of the different cake artists that I posted in this video today.